And the truth is, what no one else is talking about online is content creators don't make a lot of money. In today's session, we're going to do content creators versus coaching. According to HubSpot, content creators make average 44K a year. So there are 165 million content creators since 2020, which means content information is everywhere. Means it's not valuable anymore. Leads to overwhelm. Thus, why most people are overwhelmed is because they're trying to create or consume too much content versus transformation. Transformation is valuable. Getting someone out of a problem into their pleasure, regardless if it's getting out of stress, getting out of anxiety, getting out of depression, getting out of how to understand a relationship, understand how to grow a business. All right, health, wealth, or relationship, information market, where it's transformative information is why you can make more as a coach if you know how to market your coaching and talk to the client problem. The problem with being a content creator or an influencer is that setup is very hard. In any platform, to build up a social media audience today that's actually going to buy something from you is going to take a long time. Even these huge influencers with 8 to 20 million people on TikTok don't get paid a lot by the TikTok creator fund, and that's the God's honest truth. It's a long way to go to try to build up a social media audience. The investment is 7 to 10 years to build a big audience. You have to give all of your content away for free. So when it comes to actually selling it, because you've given away your information for so long for free, then a very small percentage are actually going to buy nowadays, because it trains your audience to be non-buyers. And if your audience are full of non-buyers, then nothing that you actually sell, you won't make any money from it. You can get brand deals and selling products. However, brand deals is like having a job, because you have to do what they say when they want, jump how high, etc. And you no longer have the autonomy to choose. Selling products becomes a problem because you've given so much away, as I said. It's very difficult to sell anything. So money, there's no security with this sort of lifestyle versus creating an online coaching business. Set up with the CRA system, which is easy to set up, easy to scale. The investment, say for example, you spent $100 on ads to get 20 potential clients who want to work with you to solve a specific problem that you have skills around solving. Your return is one client buys at $1,500, right? Out of that 20 potential clients, one becomes a client. That's 15 times ROI. That's massive. If you put 100K into a property in London and got 10% return on investment, that's 10%, 10 grand over a year, which means 10 years to break even. We're talking one client buys at 1,500, you have had a 15 times ROI from your initial $100, which is absolutely massive. The money back very fast with the right system, with the right support. So thus, I wouldn't recommend becoming a social media influencer or a content creator. What I would recommend is becoming someone that has a skill set that can solve someone's problem, and then copy our system so that you get clients in the quickest way possible. The only reason that the sharks are in the tank and the dragons are in the den is they want to invest into online business structures that work. And so the CRA system is a structure that works. What we do is leverage any lead flow into one sales process called application funnel. We give you everything that you need, one program to deliver the result for your client. So we're going to take one ad, right? Any leverage socials that you have, drive it into one piece of content so that we can collect an email address and phone number. So we build a client list, right? And then we transition into a consultation process, of which a percentage of clients will join and become your clients. We're collecting email address and phone numbers all the time. So we're building a client list. We drive those emails back into the same process. So they're going into the same sales process, and a percentage of those people will become your clients. And that's how we roll. If you do want this system for life, you own this system for life. Once it's set up, we have a support process so that we can support you to make sure that it works for you. And if you want to get a free Get Clients plan, marketing plan right now, all you need to do is click the link below. You'll see a link, fill out your details, and you can have a one-to-one session with one of my team, and they'll show you exactly how the CRA system works for your business. And if it's the right fit for you and for us, then they'll walk you and talk you through what that entails, all of the finite details. But regardless of whether we work together or not, you'll walk away knowing exactly how to get clients at the level that you want. That being said, I hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you soon.